Rinse the area where the film will be applied to prevent static and dust. Peel off the release liner from the film. Spray the installation fluid evenly on both the paint and adhesive surfaces. Lay the film flat on the paint surface. Secure the installation points of the film. Stretch the film to ensure it covers the paint surface smoothly. Fix the installation points in place to ensure there are no wrinkles. Use a squeegee to remove excess installation fluid. After removing the water, use a craft knife to trim the edges precisely. Rinse the installation fluid along the edges with clean water. Use the squeegee to remove any remaining moisture along the edges. Let it dry. Use a heat gun and dry towel for edge sealing. Complete the installation process.